Class plus 1 topic sets exercise 1.5. Question number 6. In these questions we have given that there are 25 students but not a mathematics. So now we have find the number of students who have taken economics and math. Second, those who have taken math but not a economics. We solve these questions by Venn diagrams. We are given that there are total students who have taken economics. Now we take two diagrams which have mathematics and economics. This is the common reasons. Now 8 students specially have economics, not a math. Then these students are 8. And 12 have taken economics. It means 8 plus 4. These 4 students are common in math and economics. Now these are totally 25 students. If we add these two students and minus 225, we get the number of students only in mathematics. This by the Venn diagram. Now we first answer this question. Number of students who have economics and maths. Then these are the students who have economics and math. We have found that this is the student of only math. This is the student of only economics. And these are total students. So we have found the number of students who have economics and math is this. This student is 21. Now second he say that, second part say that those who have taken maths but not economics. Number of students who have only math. Number of student that only maths. We have take only math students. There is 13 students who have only mathematics, not other subject. So now these are the totally 13 students. Now this is your questions number 6. Now in questions number 7, it is the easy method of other Venn diagram. Venn diagram is, here is total student is 35. It means this is the part of cricket and this is the part of football. Now he say that there are, this is 35 student. It means cricket plus football plus common student is 35. But here is given is total number student of only cricket. Cricket is 24 and football is 16. So now it is say that there is 35 students but these are totally 40 students. Number of students play both game is 40. These are 40 students who play cricket and football, but we are given 30, total student is 35. So then 5 students, these are 5 students which like both of these games. It means A, C intersection F, at least one game. Then number of students is 5. These are 5 students left. Now total number of students is football is 16. We have including these 5, it is common in both games. For total number of these 16, so then we including it is 11. Now we count these student is 35. This is equal to total student of 35. So now the number of students who play both game is 5. Now orange juice student is 150 and taking apple and orange juice is 75. Now by Venn diagram we have showed that apple juice, these are the common student of both. So now common, this is the common area of both student apple and orange juice. We have take this 75. Now it is also given that these are the apple student, taking apple juice student. Now this is the 75 and this is total number of strength is 100. Now 75 have already occurred in this area. Now we take these number of student, 100 minus 75 we get 25. Now also the orange student of these we have is 150. We have taken already, this student is 75 in this area. So then 150 minus 75, we get 75. These are the 75 students taken orange juice. Now we have find how many students were taking neither apple juice or nor orange juice. हमें ये निकालना है कि उन स्टूडेंटों की संख्या निकालिए जो न तो ऑरेंज जूस ले रहे स्टूडेंट, एंड दीज आर द स्टूडेंट ऑफ टेकन जूस. तो नाउ नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट नोट टेकन एप्पल एंड orange juice, then total number of student minus they have taken the juice. This is the number of person is 75 plus 75 plus 25, we get 175. Now we minus this number is 5, it means 225 is the number of person who have not taken this juice. Now, question number, student of mathematics 50, math and English is 10. Now we solve by this Venn diagram. This is the Venn diagrams of two objects, math and English. This is the math and this is the circle of English. This is the common area of both these. Now we write it maths and English. Now there are 10 students. Is common in both. We have taken English and mathematics. Now we are discuss these. These are the 50 students who have taken maths. Now this is the circle of only mathematics. Now 10 students already existing and total student is 50. 50 minus 10, it means 40 students. Now we have discussed these. These are the in only English. We have taken only English. So then these students are 80 minus 50. We get 30. These are the 30 students who have taken only English. And now we have find how many students scored first class mark in English only. Then number of students who have only 30. We have that first division in only. Now by Venn diagram it is given that both of them, this is the 50 student, find the number of students who speak English. Now this is the circle of totally English. Now these are the total student of English. Now number of student speak English. Only English means only English 30 students plus these are the 50 students who speak English and Hindi. So then this is also count by this in this area. So then total number of students is 80. 80 is the student who speak English. Now questions number 11. 40 English students 16, accountancy, these economics. And these are the students are common in English and account. Account and economics, English, account and economics common are 2 students. Now we have represented this data by A union B union C. It is the union of 3 students. It means A for English, B for account, C for economics. Now it is equal to NA, NB, NC, N A intersection B, B intersection C, C intersection A plus NA union B union C. Now we put the value of these. These are the 40 students. These are the 16, 22. We put the value of these. Now this is the number of students who have find in economics and English and accountancy. Plus 2. Now we left these value to right hand side and solve them. We have find the value of NC intersection 8 means number of student. It is the number of student in English and account is 7. Now second part of say that In second part, we have find the number of students English, accountancy, but not economics. Now English and accountancy, these are the two students which are common in all three. But here is two students are common in this. So then number of student in English and accountancy, account but not eco. So then total number of students 7 minus 3, 2 is the common of 2. Then we get 5. These are the 5 students which are common in this. Now we solve these questions by Venn diagrams. These are the Venn diagram of 3 students. We solve these questions by Venn diagram also like this and find the value of this number of students in English and account and also the English account and not economics. And then read magazine A number of persons is 28. Read magazine B 30 persons, or read magazine C is 42. It is also given that A and B, it means magazine A and B read person of 8. A and C, it means A and C, these person are 10. B and C 5, and these are the person who read magazine A, B, C common. Now we solve this by Venn diagram. Other questions of these are also solved by Venn diagram. Now this is the part of A, this is the part of B, and this is the part of C. A, B, now C. Now look here, we have firstly in these questions we have find the value of triple. It means which are common in A, B and C. Now we look here, this is the common area of in this part, this is the common area this part, and this is the common area of this is the common area of all 3 circles. Now this is the common of all 3 circle person is 3. So now we write is here number of 3. Now we complete this Venn diagram AB. This is the AB, A intersection B area. It means A intersection B total candidate is 8. But we have 3 already taken this area. So then number of students of this is 8 minus 3. We get a 5. Now look here, it is the common area of A and C. Here the AC is 10%, but we have already taken 3% in this. So then 10 minus 3 we get 7. Then this becomes total 10. Now B and C, here the B and C is 5. We have taken already 3. So then number of person left is 5 minus 3, it means 2. Now we complete this circle, we get only 5. Now after this we have complete this circle to complete. Now this is the circle of magazine A. Now this is the person of 7, 3, 5 in magazine A. 7, 3, 10, 5, 15, and these are 28. Now 50 already occurs in circle, and total number of 28 we get 7, 10, 15 minus this we get 13. Now this is the person of B. This is the person of 13. 5, 3, 8, and 2, 10. This is the 10% in this B. And now total person is 30. We minus this, we get 20. 7, 3, 10, or 2, 12. This is the total area of a section C. It means this is the person of total is 42. Already 12 has occurred in. So then left today is 30. Now we give the answer of given. First, how many read none of these? Then 100, it is the total. Now we add these all persons. We get, if we add these 13 plus 5 plus 20 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2 and plus 30. We get the number of person who read magazine. Now this is 13 plus 5, 15, 38, 40. This is your 50 or 80. So 100 minus 80. These are the 20% who none of read magazine A, B and C. And second part say that who read only magazine C. number of persons who read magazine C only, magazine C, so then these persons are 30. This is your questions. It is same as question number 12. Do yourself. Now question number 14 say that in a survey that 67 union P2 is equal to NP1 plus NP2 minus NP1 intersection P2. Now it is given that then this is the total number of person. If we suppose let the total person is 100, then 100 is NP1 means this is the 100 and it means 100 में से 67 persons like product P1, and if we take these then this is also 73 and this is also X. If we take by 100 then we take this value into this side, so then we take this value is 100 and this is NP is 67, this is 73, this is X. Now we find the value of X. Here the value of X is, we add this term to subtract this side. 100 minus 140 is equal to minus X. Persons like product P and P1 is 40. If we write this value by this, X equal to 40. Question number 14. So first of them we solve question number 16. Here the total number of person is in a group are 2000 and A number of student who like product A is this, B this, and now we use A and A union B like this, and A plus and B minus and A intersection B. We have value of this U is universal set. It means total number of person. It is the value of A union B. This is 200 and A person is 1720 plus 1450 minus and A union B. We take this value to left hand side and find the value of an A union B. And we have find the value of this. What is the least person that have linked both the product? So we have find these value. So now with this 2000 minus 1720 minus 1450 minus an A union intersection B. If we minus this, we find the value of this person is 117. We left this value in this with negative sign equal to minus an A intersection B. Minus to minus cancel. So now and A intersection B is 1170. This is the person who like product P1 and P2. Total students we are given is 25 and math student is 15 and physics is 12, chemistry 11, 5 have taken this math and chemistry, 9 have taken mathematics. Have taken mathematics and physics. Physics and chemistry is 4 students and 3 have taken all 3 subjects. Now this is also solved by Venn diagrams. Now this is the Venn diagrams. This is the circles of physics, chemistry and mathematics. Now we have take first of them math, physics, chemistry. Now this is the common area of both three circles. Now common area of circle is given 3. Now we write is 3. Now we complete this. This is the math and physics. There are 9 persons. 3 already have taken. Now we left person is 6. This is physics and chemistry. Is 4 students. 3 have already taken. Then left is 1. And this is the math and chemistry is 5. 3 taken. We get a 2. Now we complete this. This student is mathematics total 15 and we have taken it 6 plus 9 plus 2 11. Then this left is 4. Now this is the area of physics and total student of physics is 12. We taken it 6 3 plus 1 total is 10. 12 minus 10 we get 2. and this is the area of chemistry. Total student is 11. We have taken 3 to 5 1 6 or 11 6 11 minus 6 we get a 5. Now we give the answer of given questions. First of them, only chemistry. Who person only chemistry? Then this is the 5 person who have only chemistry. 5 student who have only chemistry. Now second condition is only mathematics, only maths. And next is only physics. Third part is only physics. This is the 2 persons who has only physics. Now other parts of this question be solved by this: physics and chemistry but not mathematics. Physics and chemistry, this is the area of physics and chemistry but not mathematics. We including this area to this person. This is the person of only physics and chemistry. This also not including in mathematics. 5 1 6 or 2 8. And this is the fourth part of this. Now we discuss fifth part and sixth part. As it is like this. This is the as it part, first and second and third. This is your exercise 1.